Merry Christmas, family!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, sis.
Merry Christmas, sis. Thank you.
Oh. Whew.
That snow outside, I can see.
Yeah. Yeah, let's pretend there's snow outside. Brr. Yeah, how are you all doing on this beautiful morning? Thank you for carving out some time to join with us on this day. Yeah. I hope you're surrounded either in your alone time with the Christ and it's absolutely perfect, or maybe you find yourself surrounded with your family members and that's perfect too, and just joining together deep into our hearts and giving gratitude for the birth of the Christ in each of us. So let's come into our hearts and just join for a moment of silence, and I'm blessed to be able to read today's message for us. God's answer is some form of peace. All pain is healed. All misery replaced with joy. All prison doors are opened, and all sin is understood as merely a mistake. Father, today we will forgive your world and let creation be your own. We have misunderstood all things, but we have not made sinners of the holy sons of God. What you created sinless so abides forever and forever. Such are we. And we rejoice to learn that we have made mistakes which have no real effects on us. Sin is impossible. And on this fact, forgiveness rests upon a certain base more solid than the shadow world we see. Help us forgive, for we would be redeemed. Help us forgive, for we would be at peace. God's answer is some form of peace. All pain is healed, all misery replaced with joy, all prison doors are opened, and all sin is understood as merely a mistake. We want to thank you for the gift of your presence daily. We want to thank you for your courage, for showing up and allowing what never was to be gently sifted away. We want to thank you for your light, one with ours. Thank you for joining us and magnifying that light. Thanks for being the answer. Thank you for being my daily reminder.
And mine too.
So from all of us at Take Me to Truth, we wish you a very Merry Christmas.
Love you, sis, and
I
love your
love you.
beautiful family. Thank you. Thank you.
And we will see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.